Hey riders, welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. Today we are diving deep into a motorcycle that blends classic bobber styling with modern engineering, the 2025 Jawa 42 bobber. With its aggressive stance, comfortable ergonomics, refined engine, and updated tech, this bike is one of the best options in the affordable bobber category. It takes inspiration from old-school bobbers but adds enough modern touches to keep up with today's riders' expectations. If you are someone who appreciates a motorcycle that turns heads yet offers a smooth and enjoyable ride, this one might just be for you. Jawa has been on a mission to revive its legendary motorcycles while making them more appealing to new age riders. The 42 bobber is a prime example of this philosophy. Unlike traditional cruisers, a bobber features a stripped-down, minimalist look with a floating single-seat design, chunky tires, and a powerful stance. The 42 bobber stays true to this spirit while offering premium elements that make it stand out. Every component, from the fuel tank to the exhaust pipes, has been carefully designed to create a perfect blend of retro charm and modern sophistication. One of the first things that grab attention is its overall stance. The front end is muscular with a round LED headlamp that adds to its old-school appeal. The handlebars are wide and slightly pulled back, giving the rider an easy, relaxed posture. The fuel tank is sculpted beautifully, and the colors on offer Mystic Copper, Moonstone White, and Jasper Red enhance its premium look. The blacked-out engine casing and frame contrast beautifully with the paint scheme, giving it an aggressive yet elegant appearance. The rear section is kept minimal, true to bobber traditions, with a floating single seat that adds to its unique visual appeal. The seat itself has been redesigned for better comfort. One of the concerns with older bobber models was the stiff ride, especially on longer journeys. Jawa has worked on the cushioning, making it more supportive while ensuring it doesn't compromise the bike's sleek aesthetics. The riding triangle is well balanced. The forward-set foot pegs allow for a laid-back posture, and the handlebars ensure an easy reach. Whether you're cruising through city streets or heading out for a weekend ride, the ergonomics make sure you stay comfortable throughout. Under the hood, the 42 bobber is powered by a 334C single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that delivers 29.5 PS of power and 32.7 Nm of torque. This engine has been fine-tuned for better refinement and smoothness, addressing some of the minor vibrations noticed in previous models. The throttle response is sharper, and the power delivery is linear, ensuring a consistent and engaging ride. This bike is not built for outright performance, but rather for effortless cruising, and in that department it does an excellent job. The 6-speed gearbox is slick and precise, allowing for smooth shifts whether you're accelerating on open roads or maneuvering through urban traffic. Jawa has also improved the clutch feel, making it lighter and easier to operate. This small but important tweak ensures less fatigue on longer rides, especially in stop-and-go city conditions. The exhaust system is another highlight. The twin exhaust pipes not only look stunning but also produce a deep, rumbling note that enhances the bike's character. Jawa has even introduced optional exhaust tuning kits that allow riders to customize the sound to their preference. When it comes to handling, the 42 bobber impresses with its stable and planted nature. The bike's frame and weight distribution have been optimized to ensure better agility despite its chunky rear tire. Unlike many bobbers that feel heavy and sluggish in corners, this one manages to maintain a balanced feel, making it more fun to ride in varying conditions. The suspension setup features telescopic forks at the front and dual shock absorbers at the rear, tuned for a comfortable yet responsive ride. It absorbs bumps well while still offering enough feedback to keep the rider engaged. The braking system is equally solid, featuring a 320mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc with dual-channel ABS as standard. This setup ensures strong and progressive braking performance, instilling confidence even at higher speeds. The bike rolls on spoke wheels wrapped in tubeless tires, which not only enhance grip but also provide an added layer of safety. Technology-wise, the 2025 Jawa 42 bobber has received several modern updates. The biggest addition is a fully digital instrument cluster that displays real-time riding information, including speed, fuel levels, trip data, and gear position. More importantly, it now supports Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to access turn-by-turn navigation and call SMS notifications directly on the display. While this isn't a full-fledged TFT-D like in some premium motorcycles, it is a significant upgrade that enhances practicality. A USB charging port is another useful addition, allowing riders to charge their smartphones while on the go. The lighting system has been upgraded to full LED, improving visibility during night rides while adding a contemporary touch to the bike's retro aesthetics. Other small but meaningful enhancements include adjustable clutch and brake levers, which allow riders to fine-tune the reach based on their comfort preferences. With all these upgrades and refinements, the 2025 Jawa 42 bobber is positioned as one of the most stylish and well-rounded bobbers in the market. Its price of approximately Rs 2.30 lakh, ex-showroom, makes it an attractive choice for riders looking for a premium yet affordable bobber experience. The 2025 Jawa 42 bobber is powered by a 334 Seek, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, designed to deliver a smooth and refined riding experience while maintaining the classic bobber feel. This engine produces 29.5 PS of power and 32.7 N of torque, making it one of the most potent single-cylinder engines in its class. Jawa has fine-tuned the engine for better throttle response and reduced vibrations, addressing some concerns from previous models. The fuel injection system has been recalibrated to provide a more linear power delivery, ensuring a crisp response in both city traffic and highway cruising. The engine revs freely and offers a strong mid-range, which is perfect for effortless overtakes and long-distance rides. The 6-speed gearbox has also been refined for smoother and more precise gear shifts. The gear ratios are well spaced, allowing the bike to maintain a relaxed cruising speed without excessive revving. The clutch action is now lighter, reducing rider fatigue during long rides and stop-and-go traffic conditions. So, is the Jawa 42 bobber worth buying? The answer depends on what you're looking for in a motorcycle. If you want a bike that combines head-turning aesthetics with a smooth, relaxed riding experience, this one ticks all the right boxes. It is perfect for city rides and weekend cruises, offering just the right mix of style, performance, and modern features. Overall, the 2025 Jawa 42 bobber is a fantastic motorcycle for riders who appreciate classic styling with a modern twist. With its improved comfort, better handling, and enhanced technology, it proves to be more than just a good-looking machine. It's a well-rounded cruiser built for real-world riding. That wraps up our detailed review of the 2025 Jawa 42 bobber. What do you think about this motorcycle? Does it live up to your expectations? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Culture Hub for more in-depth motorcycle content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, ride safe and keep the throttle open. See you in the next one.